test. If I have to listen to myself speak one more time, hello, you'll be shocked to find out that I'm excited to try this. This package contains 2 of my favorite things. I'm very excited about this. I think that inside is their new mascara and their new eyeliner, which I love eyeliner and I'm very picky about it. And I also love mascara. So today's a good day. First and foremost, Dose, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it and I love you. I used to wear the Dose shadows. I have hit pan. I think it's Baked Browns. I demolished that one. There's like a speck of that. I honestly really need to get a backup of that one because those shadows are literally so nice. Those little 5-pan palettes. Woo! And for travel? Oh my god. Anyway, you've heard me talk about those before. Not only the palettes, but also the liquid lips. They're some of my favorite liquid lip formulas of all time. They also have a Velvet Mousse formula. Anyway, you know, but I'm very excited to see this from them. I'm excited to see anything from them because I feel like they're really freaking quality. I used to have a code with them and then they did away with their codes. Dose, are you gonna bring them back? Anyway, let me go ahead and try this because I literally can't wait. Ooh. Okay, period. It's so fucking fine. It's the liquid eyeliner, and then it's so fucking good. I'm saying because I don't want to get in trouble. Do people get in trouble for swearing on here? I don't know. I actually don't know. Period. Look at that. Yeah, water resistant, long lasting, smudge proof. Here's the other side. Mascara. Volumizing and curling. Volumizing is what I love. I literally love to see that. So I'm very excited because the eyeliner is a brush. This is our new liquid eyeliner, features a flexible precision brush tip that delivers matte black pigment in every stroke. So excited. The eyeliner is $22. The mascara is $24. Let's check it out. I love this. Vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, oil-free, silicone-free. Period. Mascara, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, talc-free, silicone-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free. Yeah. Ooh, oh, the packaging is so nice. Oh, I like this. Ooh, okay. Cute little box. I do actually reuse every single Dose box I've ever had for like storage and stuff like that and to keep like little, I use them for organization, okay? And I love them. So this is what the unicartons look like together for both the mascara and the eyeliner. Obviously the eyeliner is the smaller box. I like this. I don't mind this. This is very like sleek. What I like about them is I use their products in like an alt way. So like they make very like sleek, pretty stuff, but like, dude, the shades, they're freaking good. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just try the eyeliner first because honestly, I need a new black liquid liner badly. I use black liquid liner every single day. So, ooh, nice. Standard packaging. It feels very much familiar. Cute, pretty standard. Oh god, yes. A brush tip. Brush is my favorite. I used to really like felt tip, but I feel like brush really lasts longer. And if I have a liner that I've spent $22 on, obviously this was gifted, so I did not. But if I did, and I do, when I repurchase liner that is expensive, I need it to last a long time. And usually felt tip, it's not as precise as time goes by, so brush, I really do love. I am simply just going to try it. My god, that is fine. That is, look at that. Ooh, okay, yeah. Yep, that is freaking sharp. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna do my liner because I feel like you don't need to see me struggle. Every time I film my liner, I'm sweating. Where's my mirror? Mirror, hello? That is freaking black and that is matte, which I love. I'm already feeling the formula. I will obviously let you know how it wears because that's really the important part, but so far, yeah. My eyes are watering because I have allergies, so that's kind of a bummer, but I will see how water resistant this is because sometimes I cry. Happy, crying. Scared, crying. Sad, crying. Excited, I might be crying. So far, what I have to say is I don't even have to put any pressure down on this and the ink is coming out. Also because it is brand new. Yeah, so how this uses, like how this wears, how this, like the upkeep of this, I'm very interested to see. I also feel like I could do my spikes really easily with this, so I might be doing that as well. But so far, extremely happy with how that looks, how it just glides on so effortlessly. We will see. But oh my god, I freaking love eyeliner. Obviously, y'all see me wear wings every day, so this is very important to me. I'm going to be very critical in the coming week wearing this. But so far, okay. Ooh, oh, that is heavy. Not as heavy as like some mascaras. Yeah, some mascaras, I'm like, god, good lord. But this is like weighted and nice. This kind of reminds me of the Melt one, I think it is. Kind of like packaging wise, or maybe it's the Smashbox one. The packaging, again, very sleek, very chic, very like minimal. It does feel quite nice. Okay, you've heard me talk about mascara before. I'm just going to put a lot on. I don't know how to quantify it. I think being like 1 is weird because who is doing that when they're putting on mascara? I don't know. I'm just gonna put a bunch on. Let me see if, does it lock closed? I don't think it locks closed. That makes me a little nervous, just straight out the gate. Oh. Okay, so it's got the hourglass wand, pretty sure. Slight hourglass. It's not like so hourglass shaped that it's gonna be like difficult to use. Ooh, that really does a good job at like hugging the lash line though. And it is like bristles brush instead of like plastic, which I like a lot better. Y'all don't need to see me put mascara on for 5,000 years, but so far, so good. I don't wear lashes, not because I don't think they look absolutely incredible, but because honestly, I do be kind of scared putting glue by my eye. I don't know. Everyone else seems fine with it, but I'm scared. So like having a good mascara is kind of essential. Let's see how much this builds up though. Let's see how far we can take it. Now listen, I know I have massive wings, so you can't see the lashes out here, but so far, I'm actually pretty impressed. I really like volumizing mascaras, and that's doing a freaking good job. I don't feel like I'm really piling it on. So to just start and have like my lashes look like this, okay, dose. Barely touching the wand along my lower lashes, and this looks so nice already. It's a little bit more of a drier formula, which I do prefer, so another win. Okay, I'm trying hard not to overreact, honestly. Legitimately, my eye has been watering. You can see over there with my shadow that the shadow is gone. The liner has not budged. So first and foremost, I'm obsessed with the liner. It is so matte, it is so sharp. I very bigly, hugely love that. I love eyeliner. My God, dose. You could probably send me 1,000 lifetime supply of these and I would use it every day. That might be a little dramatic, but if you have any extras, I'll take them. No, but seriously, I love this liner already. I'm very excited about the precision of it. I'm excited about how matte and how dark it is. It is black. Sometimes I feel like when I get a liner that's like, oh, this is a black liquid liner, it's like charcoal. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm really obsessed with that. There's a leaf blower outside, so I'm gonna make this quick. The mascara, again, I don't want to overreact, but my lashes look so fucking good. So they were right with the name. Wow, the buildup was phenomenal. It's a bit more of a drier formula like I'd mentioned. I like a formula that starts off a little bit more dry and then as it dries going forward, I just feel like the volumizing aspects get even more and more, which I love. I don't know how many more times I can say that, but they just look so good. They literally look phenomenal, if I do say so myself. And do I have good lashes? Yes. Do I use mascaras that are volumizing so I can get this effect? Yes, I typically do. That's what I look for. But for me, I feel like I can already tell, specifically also with my lower lashes, I think you can see over here as well, they look so nice. Like there's more volume to my lower lashes too. So overall, very excited about both of these things. Let me know your thoughts. Dose, thank you again so much. Your products are so quality and they're so nice, and I've been a huge fan for literally years, so thank you so much. I feel like I know I can always trust Dose quality, so this is so exciting. I feel like I knew the quality was going to be there, but because I am so picky about both mascara and eyeliner, I was a little worried. But anywho, I will let you know how it wears. Obviously, like in streams and stuff, you see me wearing my makeup for long hours, so I will be checking in. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!